See in 100 seconds pointers. A pointer holds a memory address, not a value, but the location of a value. Int star ptr declares a pointer to an int. Ampersand x gives the address of x. Now ptr points to where x lives in memory. X is 42. That's the value. Ampersand x gives the address some hex number where 42 is stored. ptr holds the same address. It's pointing at x. Star ptr follows the pointer back to the value. It reads whatever is at that address, 42. You can also write through a pointer. Star ptr equals 99 changes x itself, because ptr points to x's memory. X started at 42. We changed it to 99 through the pointer. Same memory, two ways to access it. Next up, pointer arithmetic.